In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this reported as unsafe in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If you're seeing the "This has been reported as unsafe" message in Microsoft Edge, it usually means SmartScreen thinks the site could be harmful. Sometimes that warning is accurate. Other times, it's a false positive or a cache issue. I'll walk you through a safe, methodical way to troubleshoot it without doing anything risky. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer and go to the website that's showing the warning. It helps to have the issue visible while you work so you can immediately see what changes make a difference. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner. Open Settings, then choose Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Security section. Here you'll find Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Only if you trust the site and you need to test, temporarily turn Smart Screen off. Reload the page to see if the warning goes away. If it does, that points to a reputation or filtering issue with the site. As soon as you finish testing, turn Smart Screen back on to keep your protection in place. Now let's clear out any bad or stale data that could be causing a repeat warning. Still in Settings, look for Clear Browsing Data. Open it and choose what to clear. Select a time range like All Time and at minimum, check Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Keep in mind, clearing cookies will sign you out of websites, so be ready to sign back in later. Click Clear Now, then revisit the site to check the result. Keeping software current can also resolve false warnings. In Edge, go to the three dots, Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge. Edge will check for updates and install them. Restart the browser if prompted. On Windows 11, open Settings, choose Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install anything available and restart your PC if you're asked to. Finally, fully close and reopen Microsoft Edge to refresh everything. Then load the website again to see if the unsafe message is fixed. If the warning is gone, you're all set. If it's still there, it may be a valid protection alert, so it's best not to proceed on that site. Remember to keep Microsoft Defender Smart Screen turned on for everyday browsing. That's it. You've learned how to safely troubleshoot and fix the "This reported as unsafe" message in Edge on Windows 11 by testing Smart Screen temporarily, clearing cache and cookies, updating your browser and Windows, and restarting Edge for a clean check.